Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make two types of Aalu Chokha. One I will fry the chokha and the other one I will not fry. That I will make it plain without frying. So I have taken boiled potatoes here. I will make this into two halves. Half I will make the chokha. So come on, let us start the recipe. I will mash the potatoes now and then I will show you how I make in my style the aloo chokhas. If you are new to my channel, if you like my channel, please like, subscribe, share, comment. So come on, let us start. I have taken half kg potatoes boiled up. Now I am going to mash the potatoes. You can see I have mashed the potatoes. Now I'll make this into two halves. First I will make the plain chokha, that is without frying. I have made two halves. Now I will make the plain chokha first. To make the plain chokha, I have taken onions, two small onions cut up this size, sliced up, and taken two chilies cut up this size. I will put this in. Put some salt to taste. Put some mustard oil, about half teaspoon. Now I will mix the chokha. Plain chokha is ready without frying. Now I will make the fried chokha. Now for the fried chokha, I need some mustard oil. Put some oil in the karai. I have taken cumin seeds and red dry chilies. 3 red dry chilies. I will put this in the oil. I have cut up onions, sliced fine. This also I will put. The onions are turned little bit brown. Now I have cut up one tomato, small pieces. This also I will put in. Put some coriander leaves. The tomato also is fried up with the onions. Now I will put the mashed potatoes. I'll lower the flame. Put some salt. And mix it well. fried aloo chokha is also ready. Plain chokha without frying and fried chokha is ready to be eaten. Thank you for watching my video.